Hi, I'm John with badcredit.org. And if your credit score has seen better days, finding a credit card issuer willing to give you a chance without an upfront security deposit can feel like a major win. That's why today we're diving into the Milestone Mastercard. It's an unsecured option designed specifically for those looking to rebuild their credit. But before we get into all the details, I do want to let you know that we have a full, in-depth written review of the Milestone Mastercard on our website, badcredit.org. It covers a lot more than we can get into in this video, including the interest rates, fee structures, and similar cards you may want to consider. So I'll drop that link in the description below if you want to check it out. Our review found that the Milestone Mastercard's biggest highlight is its accessibility for those who have had some credit missteps in the past. Now, there's no pre-qualification process for this card, but it does offer a unique compromise that can protect your credit if you're rejected. When you apply, a hard inquiry will go on your credit report only if you're approved. If your application is denied, no hard inquiry will be reported, and it won't impact your credit score. So that's kind of a no-lose situation, whereas pre-qualification usually just tells you if you're likely to get approved, and you still have to roll the dice on an application that could result in a rejection and a hard inquiry. Another major benefit is that the Milestone Mastercard reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. So as long as you make your payments on time, it acts as a legitimate ladder to help your credit score to climb. Plus, it's an unsecured MasterCard that you can use practically anywhere, and you don't have to tie up any money in an upfront security deposit. But skipping that security deposit does come with some additional costs. Our review points out that this card does have a very high APR, so carrying a balance from month to month could quickly add up and leave you dealing with debt well into the future. You also have to watch out for the annual fee, which varies based on your credit profile and can reach up to $175 the first year. And your initial credit limit could be as low as $300. So if you get hit with that high annual fee and it gets deducted from your balance immediately, that means you only walk away with $125 of actual spending power on day one. And if you get a credit limit on the low end, which is $300, you'd have to watch your credit utilization closely. To help your score, you really shouldn't carry an overall balance of over $90 at any given time, which would put you just under the 30% credit utilization ratio that is suggested to keep credit scoring models happy. So is the Milestone Mastercard a good choice for you? If you really don't want to pay a deposit for a secured credit card and you have the means to pay your balance in full every single month, the Milestone Mastercard could be a useful stepping stone to a better credit score and more favorable credit card options in the future. Just be sure to take the fees and potential credit limit into account when deciding if it's right for your situation. And if you want to see how the Milestone Mastercard stacks up against other credit building cards, click the link in our description to read the full breakdown at badcredit.org. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward product reviews and expert credit advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.